The Reolink Battery Doorbell shines in the competitive doorbell camera market, thanks to its impressive video quality and free storage options. While it does face some challenges with smart home integration and battery life, it remains a reliable choice for many users. Outstanding 2K video resolution with a square aspect ratio. Local storage available through a microSD card. Flexible smart motion detection settings. Multiple power source options for convenience. Needs sensitivity adjustments for optimal battery performance. Audio quality and custom voice messages could be improved. Smart home integration isn't flawless.